Hey guys, Miss Lindsay here. We're going to be drawing a bird today since it is becoming springtime. So the first thing we're going to do on our paper is we're going to start out with an oval right in the middle of our paper. Then at the top of the oval we're actually going to make a circle, just like that. And then on the front side of your circle, you are going to add your beak. And the front side of your bird. And then we are going to add, let's put a little eye right here, the start of an eye. And then the start of your wing on the side. It's going to make a little smile. And then you're going to bring your smile over. And then down. Now your feather's going to run past your body. Just like that. Then on the front side, we're going to bring it down as well. Now remember to draw light until you get it where you want it. That way you can erase if you need to. Gonna round that off at the end. Just like that. And bring this down on your beak. And your head, you're gonna connect it to your body. Like so. So we're actually going to take out this part of your circle. Okay. Your beak's gonna turn kind of into like a little diamond shape. And then let's add some character up here to the head. We're gonna add like a little stripe right here. I'm gonna add some hair. Because we can. And shade that in. All right. And then your eye, you want to leave a small part of the eye white, and the rest of it you want to fill in like that. Now on our beak you have to make a mouth to separate your top from your bottom, and a little nostril as well. The bottom of your bird, we're gonna add some legs. These are just where your legs are going to go. After you draw those, you're going to erase out your oval that goes through them. Now remember, at any time you can pause this video. Your legs are actually going to kind of tilt forward. Not so far. Just like that. Then we're going to bring the rest of our tail down It's gonna be kind of slanted. All right, inside of your wing, you want to erase out any extra that's there so that we can add the detail of the bird. So let's make a line here. One here. Bring this one down. Let's do another one right here. These are the feathers. That's just the starting outline of your feathers. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add some talons. Your talons are actually gonna like curve a little bit. Like this. And bring it back. And a back one, just like that. 3 little talons. Do the same thing on this leg. And if you want to draw your branch first, you can, and that might help you with your talons as well. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to start our branch, and it's just going to go right through the feet. Where the birdie's talons are wrapped around it. Like that. And we're going to add some more detail. We're going to add some detail to the face. Make it look like it has some feathers coming back. Maybe around this way. And then we're gonna add some feather details in here. I'm just gonna use those lines we drew as guides on how big to make your feathers in that one spot. Keep them very close together. Just like that. And do the same thing as you keep going out. And then on your tail feathers too. Same thing. Just like that. And then let's add some detail to our branch. Act like it's connected to a tree. You're gonna kind of spread it out on the ends and bring it to a small point on this end. Don't forget, you can pause the video at any time. just like that. So now your bird is sitting on a branch. Now you can add as much detail as you want to this after you're done. If you want to color it, color it. If not, you can add some more shading. But that is all for today. We will see you later. Bye.